Welcome. Today, we'll demystify how to cancel a vacation in Kronos. I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure your leave management stays smooth. Trust me, this will save you time and stress. Plus, mastering this process means no awkward scheduling conflicts with coworkers. Let's dive right in, and I promise to keep it light and engaging. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. All right, first things first. Kronos is like your virtual HR assistant. It's the place where you manage schedules, leaves, and more. Think of it as your personal portal to keep things organized. The interface is user-friendly, so you don't need a degree in rocket science. Let's explore how this portal simplifies your work life. Managing leave accurately isn't just about being a good employee. It's about saving everyone from chaos. It keeps team operations smooth and avoids any paycheck drama. Plus, clear communication makes you a rockstar teammate. And hey, personal accountability is always a great look, right? Logging into Kronos is like unlocking a treasure chest of HR wonders. Okay, maybe that's a slight exaggeration, but seriously, head to the portal, use your credentials, and bam, you're in. Remember, security is key here. Nobody wants vacation requests canceled by a rogue coworker. Now, let's find the time off section. It's like your control center for leave management. Click through the menu, and voila, you'll see all your requests and balances. Make sure you're in the right section, though clicking around aimlessly isn't as fun as it sounds. Here's where we play detective. Look at your approved and pending requests. It's like solving a mini-mystery of your leave history. Avoid duplicates because, trust me, your manager doesn't need extra paperwork. Let's keep things tidy and streamlined. Time to make the big decision. Select the vacation you want to cancel. Think of it as picking the right book from a shelf. Verify the details and dates, because mistakes here can lead to some awkward conversations. Let's be thorough. Initiating a cancellation is like hitting the undo button in life, but more official. Click the cancel option, provide a reason optional, but makes you look courteous and follow the steps. It's straightforward, and dare I say, quite satisfying. Finally, confirmation. It's like getting a receipt after shopping. Ensure your request is updated, and your leave balance reflects the change. If something looks off, don't hesitate to check with HR. They're there to help, not bite. Hi, everyone. Let's talk about the ripple effect of canceling vacations on your balance. Canceled leaves aren't just tossed aside. They're recycled. Kronos ensures your leave credits come back. I'll also show you how to track and reconcile them, so you don't end up planning trips with imaginary credits. All right, folks, let's tackle notifications. Canceling your leave isn't like sending a secret smoke signal. It has to be timely and visible. Kronos will notify your supervisors and approvers, ensuring everyone's in the loop. I'll give you tips on reducing delays and keeping things smooth. Trust me, no one likes surprise cancellations. Now let's talk about those pesky errors. Canceling a vacation shouldn't feel like hacking into Kronos. It should be straightforward. I'll help you spot common mistakes, avoid duplicates, and handle errors without breaking a sweat. Remember, every misstep has a solution, except eating spicy food before a long meeting. Okay, troubleshooting can sound scary, but it's not rocket science. I'll teach you how to spot system hiccups in Kronos and resolve them quickly. Plus, knowing when to call IT support is vital. They're your superheroes in disguise. By the end, troubleshooting will feel like a walk in the park, minus the mosquitoes. Policies. They're not just red tape. They're your guardrails. I'll guide you through cancellation rules to ensure compliance. Trust me, getting back on track is easier when you don't run afoul of policy. And if you're wondering, yes, following rules can be a whole vibe. Efficient leave management is like a perfectly brewed cup of coffee. Satisfying. I'll share tips to plan better, modify requests gracefully, and communicate effectively. The goal, to steer clear of last-minute chaos and ensure smooth sailing. Because honestly, we all deserve stress-free vacations, right? Who wins? Mobile app or desktop portal? It's not a fight, it's teamwork. I'll dive into the differences, advantages, and best practices for each platform. Whether you're tech-savvy or just figuring things out, these insights will make cancellations a breeze. Spoiler alert. Both options work great if you use them well. Let's clear the air with FAQs. I'll tackle the most common questions and share practical solutions. Vacation cancellations don't have to be mysterious, like those odd socks disappearing in the laundry. Stick around for expert tips and find answers to the big what-ifs. As we wrap up, remember, leave management doesn't have to be complicated. With Kronos, proactive planning and sticking to best practices can make it seamless. Organized leaves mean happier teams, fewer errors, and, most importantly, more successful vacations. Stay ahead, and let's make this process work for you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.